Hey guys, it's Jim at Treesite AI, and today I'm going to walk you through our hook story offer custom GPT. What it does, it creates your own hook story offer in the style of Russell Brunson just by answering a few simple questions. So I am going to walk you through step by step how this works. So as you can see here, I'm on our GPT platform. We've got tons of custom GPTs built, so keep an eye out for more videos that are highlighting more, as well as links to get access to this custom GPT as well as others. So now once you have access, you simply click on it, click the help with my first hook button right here to get going. As you can see, it's got 4 questions for us. Now I've prepared my answers in advance for this video, so I'm just going to pop those in here. But basically it's asking the key questions about creating the hook. So what the product is, who it's for, and it's giving me a few options here. We've got 3 different options. I'm just going to grab this, probably going to grab this first one. Yeah, I'm going to grab the first one. Let's go. Hook 1. Obviously, you can talk to this custom GPT by just telling it that you don't like these hooks. You want to see 6 more, 2 more. You want, something more in this style or that style. But once you finalize the hook, it's going to then go ahead and confirm. So I'm going to say next. Now it's asking about the 4 key questions to create the compelling story. Again, I've prepared my answers in advance. You can actually pause the video and read here if you'd like. Okay, it's building out my story. Great. Now let's go ahead and click next. And now it's going to ask the questions for the offer. The more detail you provide, the better the results typically are here. But again, it's got 4 questions to answer about the offer. Another pro tip is if you want more clarification on the details of the questions, you can ask it to refine the questions and it'll help you get more details. You can even ask it to help answer for you on certain things. But all right, you can pause here to see my answers. And then if you can pause the video again here to see the second part of my answers that weren't quite in the screen. Okay, now it has the offer drafted. Again, when you're creating these live, you're going to want to read through and make sure it looks good. You can refine it, work back and forth. But once you have everything how you like, you ask it to combine. And now it's combining everything together. Now from here, you can then ask it to create a landing page, a Facebook post, a LinkedIn article, a Facebook ad, anything you can think of, and it will automatically go to the core answers and details that you've already provided, and it'll be fully optimized. So very quickly, you can see the power of this. So let's go ahead and do create a sales page for my website. Now, you don't have to type all the extra details in again. You can just say, hey, create a sales page. This custom GPT automatically knows what you're looking for. And now you can see it's generating the sales page to just copy and paste right into any website builder or straight into HTML, however you build your sales pages. All right, now let's say we want to do a build LinkedIn article. And you can see it's building out a LinkedIn article formatted for the platform and the audience. As typically on LinkedIn, you see it's more of a white paper style article. Of course, you can format it however you want inside of the LinkedIn article builder. Now you notice it's throwing a tag in here about the author, so you could actually say something like, please update the author to my name. And you can see it's updated the author. There's no more author tag in there. Now it says my name everywhere it was initially saying the author. So I think you get the idea, but let me just do one last one to drive this home. Please create a Facebook post. As you can see, it's generated a Facebook post. Pretty cool. It even gives tags and everything when you do posts. And there are tons and tons and tons of things you can do from here as a starting base, but I don't want to make this video too long. So I just wanted to give you a quick insight into our Hook Story Offer GPT. And if you notice on this sales page, I actually used the Hook Story Offer to build this sales page too. So I didn't even do any images or anything yet on the sales page. I just kind of copied and pasted it right in here, which would work really well for a quick and easy way to create a whole bunch of sales pages for a whole bunch of products, which frankly is what I'm doing on this platform where I'm listing all my GPTs. So keep an eye out for the next video where I'll go over some additional custom GPTs. And if you like these GPTs and you want to get access to some of them for free, including the Hook Story Offer, I am temporarily offering these for no cost as long as you will provide some feedback. So I'm looking for some beta testers to use them and provide feedback and add in reviews in the platform that I ask. So if that's something that might interest you, go ahead and click the link down below in the description of this video, and you can get access to this Hook Story Offer GPT, as well as some of the other custom GPTs that we have available and are launching soon. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. I'm Jim signing off, and make it a great day.